Conversion can take a variety of formats. Across your website, you can have a call to action, a landing page, forms, pop-ups, and even live messaging. And there's even more than that. Your conversion process is how you can turn an anonymous visitor who might be visiting your website for the first time through your blog, or through your website, or through your homepage, and give them an opportunity to become a lead. And the way that they become a lead is by giving you their information. They are a lead with needs, interests, and you can actually use this data to help them through their buyer's journey. You need to build conversion paths to help make this happen. Now listen closely because conversion paths here are key. By creating conversion paths, you're making it as easy as possible for someone to progress through your website and follow through the buyer's journey. So how do you get someone to convert? It's typically by offering something that they want. In the case of inbound, it's something that should be helpful to them. Helpful in helping them solve their problems. Helpful in a way that they can better determine a solution. In a lot of cases, content offers are used for this exchange. If someone is on your website and sees an option to download a free guide, they may be willing to give their information, like their email address, as long as they see value in it. These are some important terms that often come up when it comes to conversions. A call to action is any element on your website or blog that prompts visitors to take action. This could be an image or clickable line of text. Think of calls to actions, or CTAs, as what begins the conversions on your site. CTAs usually have actionable language like click, try, download, or request. They often directly or indirectly promote the exchange of a visitor's information for offers. A CTA then starts a conversion path. A commonly used definition of a conversion path is the process by which an anonymous visitor becomes a known lead. For someone to become a lead, they need to provide their information. So this can typically be with a form on a landing page. The landing page serves as a place to better explain the offer and gives your visitor an opportunity to fill out the form without any distractions. Forms are a great tool for information and data collection. Now just make sure that your form matches the value. By this I mean if you're offering a small guide for someone that's in the awareness stage, you wouldn't want to require them to fill out 10 different fields within a form. But if they fill out the right form, then you can send them to an optimized thank you page or send them a follow-up email with that guide. The idea of a simple conversion process is changing. Here's Megan Anderson, VP of Marketing at HubSpot, on this change.
I think we're starting to see more than just one type of conversion within our marketing tactics. So certainly we get content and we have conversion forums, and that's really, really effective for certain types of conversions. But we also have messaging and on-site chat and things that are more conversational in nature and that fit a different type of conversion. And so all those tactics are starting to mix up as as the customer changes, so does marketing.
So another option is adding live chat on your website. If it's someone's first time on your website and they decide to engage with you via chat, that could then convert them to a lead. Today, chat can happen in a few different areas, like on your website or even Facebook Messenger. For Facebook Messenger, even though it isn't on your website, you could consider them a contact since you'll have some information and context on who you're engaging with. Facebook Messenger is like a form of conversational conversion. Other tools like live chat, HubSpot messages, those are very similar. And due to their interactive nature, chatbots too are in the early stages of becoming powerful conversational tools. By diversifying the ways people can choose to interact with you and your team, you're enabling all website visitors to have the experience that they want to have. As a result, using these types of options in your inbound strategy can ensure your company is seen as helpful, human, and holistic across all channels. Install a lead generation chatbot on your website's homepage with the ability to answer the most important or frequently asked questions. This could help your website maintain that human and helpful presence and help your team out after they go home for the night. No matter what you are using for conversion, to make improvements, you need to pay attention to the conversion rate. Data and conversions go hand in hand. This is because conversions are a measurement used to gauge the success of certain elements on your website, such as forms or call to action. In its most basic form, conversion rate is defined as the percentage of visitors who took a desired action or converted. As one of the primary performance metrics for conversion, you'll often see this term used when talking about optimization. Conversion is one of the marketing areas you'll encounter that's tied with data. That's because conversions are only tangible if they can be measured. Think of conversion data as a way to incrementally check on the health of your strategy and inform you if and when there needs to be changes. Traditional landing pages or blog post conversion paths can be static resources that need to be updated every now and again, but still manage to facilitate a one-to-many value add for your website audience. So conversions also allow you to start thinking outside the box when it comes to how you're interacting with your website visitors.